The XRP chart indicates significant upward momentum. Its relative strength index, purple, has recently moved dangerously close to 70, indicating that the market has experienced an increase in buying pressure as a result of the excitement surrounding the Ripple case. XRP's 30-day moving average, red, has also risen toward its 200-day moving average, blue, indicating a possible breakout, especially if the shorter-term average exceeds the longer-term average. This is largely due to investor confidence in Ripple's chances in its 2-year lawsuit with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. According to CEO Brad Garlinghouse, who spoke to CNBC last week, the issue should be resolved by the end of this year at the very least, if not by the end of the first half of 2023. Judges take as long as the judges will take, he observed at the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland. We are optimistic that this problem will be resolved in 2023, possibly in the first half. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. However, in light of the law and the evidence, I am extremely satisfied with where we stand. On January 20, well-known lawyer and frequent commentator on the Ripple SEC case James K. Phelan tweeted that, "Everything is briefed, and that, now we wait," implying that the main task remaining is for the presiding judge, Judge Annalisa Torres, to issue a summary decision. This attitude has raised expectations for XRP, which has had a good week and month. And, if a viewer considers previous developments in the Ripple SEC case, they might conclude that Ripple has a good chance of getting a favorable ruling. For example, Ripple was successful in getting 14 amicus briefs, including one from Coinbase, submitted to the court that presided over the case in November. Each of these papers contained Ripple's testimony and supporting documentation. The SEC, on the other hand, only managed to submit one, raising the possibility that it will have difficulty locating witnesses to testify on its behalf. Ripple has also received favorable verdicts in the last year, such as the court upholding its ability to provide a fair notice defense. This includes Judge Torres granting it access to critical emails and papers pertaining to a 2018 speech by William Hinman, with these emails and documents potentially containing evidence that the SEC did not previously treat XRP as a security. Meanwhile, other developments suggest that the SEC case against Ripple may not be as strong as it appears. This was demonstrated last week when it charged Nexo and reached a settlement with it on the same day for selling an unregistered security, via a lending product, in contrast to Ripple, against whom it has been attempting to obtain a decision for more than 2 years. Larger investors have been increasing their XRP holdings in recent weeks, most likely anticipating a significant increase in the cryptocurrency in the months ahead, depending on the outcome of the case. Estimates of the actual price range from more conservative projections of $1.30, once the Ripple SEC issue is resolved, to longer-term goals of $10 or more. This is certainly doable in the distant future, but it is contingent on Ripple winning its legal battle and the emergence of more favorable macroeconomic conditions. The cryptocurrency market has experienced a minor uptick in the last week or so, but it has yet to fully recover to positive territory. It is currently waiting for the global economy to fully recover before it can resume its upward trajectory.